I'm Crow here, and today I'm playing Doors on my computer, which is my computer's getting yeah, my computer's getting laggy here. So, let's pick an elevator. Come on, you stupid game. What the? It almost glitched there for a second. What the? Okay, that was weird. Alright, I'm jumping in the elevator. Oh yeah, I have a buddy here. Yeah. What? Hey, don't leave me! Don't leave me! Come on, don't leave me. Bro, it's my game. Oh, yay. Bro, what? Dude, my game is still lagging right now. Bro, what the? Alright. As long as if we start the game here, yeah. Let's start the game. Alright, yay. Huh? No. Alright. So I'm just playing on myself then. Why is my game lagging? The hotel. We're at the hotel now. Oh, there's a door here. But it's locked. We need to find a key. Oh, look. There's drawers here. We can open them. Oh, there's nothing in them. Oh, yay, money. We can buy money. Oh, yay, key. Let's open the door with this. Hold E to unlock. Yeah, that's what I do. Just unlock things. Let's go through these doors. Door number 2. Oh my god, this game is so fun. Oh, what? Then the lights flicker! Yeah, I think the lights flicker. Don't tell me that monster's coming. Like, seriously. Guys, I play Doors a lot. Seriously, I play Doors all the time. Yay, money. Alright, get money. Oh, wait, where am I? Door number 5. Okay, that's where I am. Yay, money. Oh, yay, I got... Oh, yeah. Oh, that's health. Well, I don't need a bandit anyway. Where's this next door? Oh, yeah, door number 6. Alright. Let's start to see doors. Or drawers, whatever you call it. This painting is tiled. Okay. I just don't want to read. Door number 8. Oh, look. Another drawer. Oh, no, there's nothing in it. Dang it! There's nothing in the drawer. Oh, what? Oh, I need to find a key. Oh, I found it. Let's unlock it. So, where am I going exactly? Oh, yay, more drawers. Pretty awesome. Oh, look, a stupid grandfather clock. Let's see if I can search through and there's another drawer. Oh, wow, so awesome. Door number 13. Did the lights flicker? Don't tell me the lights flicker. Do I need to hide in the... Nope! Hide! I'm seriously hiding. Oh my goodness! Who was that? Okay, I can see a little bit, but not that far. Okay. So I'm at Rush. which is already did in one of my previous videos. Oh, okay. What the heck? Oh no, no. Oh no! Bro, yeah, I know, I just accidentally stared at the eyes. Now it's a dark room, I could see a little bit. Psst. Huh? What's that? Get out of here! Bro, why can I hear knocking? Why can I... Bro. There's literally nothing in the drawers. Let's check in this drawer. Oh yeah, baby. What the? Okay, I thought I hear something. Nah, I don't have a flashlight, so I'm not taking... Why is there a skull there? No, seriously, there is another skull. Who's keeping skulls around in this hotel? Bro. Ah! Oh, frick. I'm just gonna type in I'm dead. Yeah. Bro, I can't even find the freaking... Oh. Yeah, my game almost glitched there. Okay, let's just don't look at the eyes. Alright. Oh, look. Okay, don't look at the eyes. Don't look at the eyes. Oh yeah, I found the key by myself! Oh, okay, now I just gotta sneak in through without staring at the eyes. Okay, I think I did it. Unlock it. Okay. Door 24. Oh, the lights flickered! Okay, hide. Okay. Did Screech appeared? No, I don't think he did. Now can we go up, right? This is a dupe room? Oh great, I thought I was gonna die there. Okay, hide. Huh? What the? The lights flickered for no reason. What the heck? Okay. Oh no! I think we're about to go through Seek. Yeah, I think we're about to go through Seek. No, I think that goes right here. Yep. Okay, and that goes right here. And this goes right here. And this goes right here. Alright. Another key searching room. Oh, there's eyes everywhere. What the heck? Okay. Oh. Oh, what? Another key searching room? Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's just hurry up and find this key before we move on to the Seek. Oh, what? It is also another dupe room. You know what, before our sides, let's check on this door. I thought I heard a psst there for a second. Well, my option is to get scared, so yeah, let's open it. Oh, I thought that was a dupe room. Now on for the suitcase. On the suitcase. But hopefully don't die this time, because my computer could lag for like a bit. Oh no, not this. And seriously. Oh, great. Ah! No, 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 no. Oh, no. No, crouch. Crouch. Go, 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 go. No, 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 no. Yeah, I think I'm going the right way. Oh, no. I went to the wrong direction. Ah! Oh, no. Oh. What the? Oh, hello, view. Are you kidding me? You were caught by Seek. Well, that's probably it for this video. Don't waste any time. Yeah, that's probably it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe if you want me to make more videos like this one. Don't forget to comment the video. Bye.